Once upon a time, in the world of tiny particles and gigantic ideas, a group of brilliant scientists were on a thrilling quest. Their mission? To find a mysterious particle that had been hiding in the universe for billions of years. This elusive particle was named the Higgs boson, after the physicist Peter Higgs, who first proposed its existence in 1964.
For decades, the Higgs boson was like a ghost, a mere theory that was believed to exist but had never been seen. It was thought to be a crucial part of the universe, a key to understanding why things have mass. Without mass, there would be no gravity. And without gravity, there would be no stars, planets, or us.
The search for the Higgs boson took place in a gigantic machine called the Large Hadron Collider, LHC, located near Geneva, Switzerland. The LHC is the world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator. It's like a super-fast racetrack for particles, where they are sped up to nearly the speed of light and then smashed together. These collisions create a shower of other particles, and scientists hoped that the Higgs boson would be among them.
In 2012, after years of tireless work and countless particle collisions, the scientists at the LHC made a groundbreaking announcement. They had found a particle that behaved just like the Higgs boson was predicted to behave. The scientific world erupted in cheers. The elusive ghost particle had finally been found.
The discovery of the Higgs boson was a monumental achievement in the field of physics. It confirmed the theories that scientists had been working on for nearly 50 years and opened up new avenues for understanding the universe. It was like finding the missing piece in a cosmic jigsaw puzzle.
The story of the Higgs boson is a testament to human curiosity and perseverance. It shows us that even in the vastness of the universe, there is no particle too small, no question too big, and no mystery too great that can't be explored by the power of science.
So the next time you look up at the stars, remember the Higgs boson. Remember the scientists who spent years searching for it. And remember that you too can make great discoveries if you stay curious and never stop asking questions. After all, the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be solved.